2023. Porter Park.
Excuse me, are you Sharon Bird, sir?
Well, that depends. Who's asking?
Sure. I'm Mary Jane. I need your service, Bird. I have been looking for you.
I'm getting nervous.
Nerd, I heard your name on campus. I was seeking an excellent sort of actor when I got a name from a buddy of yours. I need help quickly. Be assured, Bird, I'll pay you for your service.
You need an actor?
Yes, I wanted to help my boyfriend fight a villain to enjoy living in Rexburg. I sent a message like I'm stupid. I'm not stupid. So will you do it? Will you join my freaking cast?
Mary J, you're talking way too fast.
You're an actor.
Of course.
I'm an actor. Gosh, I need a villain to prove the bird could be worth more than anyone bargained for. What do you think? Just name your price. Take the job, come on now, and roll the dice.
A villain?
Yes.
You'd pay me for making your boyfriend think I want to start a war. You can't be serious.
That is what I said.
I guess as long as you know I'm method